me into the thrift shop where I search for items to turn into bags. This is my first time doing a thrift flip, and it's been a fun challenge to rummage through the racks and select pieces to upcycle. I love that sewing is sustainable, and because of our knowledge of sewing, we have the ability to recycle and repurpose old items into something new. For these tutorials, I tried to select a variety of pieces amongst the clothing and even home decor section. Back in the studio, I auditioned existing patterns to see which project I wanted to create. When thrift flipping, you don't have to start from scratch unless you want to. You can use an existing pattern from your stash and deconstruct clothing, bags, and other items to cut the pieces you need. From my trip to our local thrift shop, I created 3 incredible projects. Within each thrift flip, I'll share my top tips for selecting items to flip, deconstructing clothing to get the most out of your pieces, properly stabilizing fabrics before sewing, and helpful hardware and notions. First, I'll show you how I turned a men's leather jacket into a one-of-a-kind, genuine leather shoulder bag. Then, I found a gorgeous lace blouse and transformed it into an evening purse using cord fabric and hardware. Lastly, I embellished a dull purse in my closet with artificial flowers to literally give it a new life. Who wouldn't want to carry around a bouquet of flowers wherever they go? Hopefully, this series will inspire you to become more mindful and creative when it comes to fashion. Watch the project tutorial that interests you, or even watch all 3 for inspiration and insight on thrift flipping. Happy thrifting!